expert always best? There's a famous quote which states that the difficulty lies not in the new ideas, but in escaping from the old ones, which ramify into every corner of our minds. This describes something that all of us will have experienced at some point in our lives. The inability to stop thinking along well-worn mental pathways which generate the same thoughts, ideas and solutions to a problem. And in doing so prevent us from thinking up the new, original and potentially better ones. This phenomenon is known as the Einstellung effect. It was first described scientifically in the 1940s when a scientist asked people to solve a water jug problem. In this task, each person was given a set of 3 jugs with various stated capacities and asked to find the solution, i.e. the formula, for how to measure out a desired quantity of water. What they found was that people's prior experience of how they solved the problem to start with interfered with their problem-solving abilities later on. This is suggested to be because the familiar, but incorrect, solution from the initial set of problems and questions blocked the discovery of the new and simpler solutions for the latter set of problems. There have been more recent research examples of this phenomenon as well. In their publication entitled Why Good Thoughts Block Better Ones, researchers at Oxford University showed that if you solve a problem using familiar strategies from your past experience, in this case in the context of playing a game of chess, then it can actually block and distract you from trying to find more novel solutions and strategies, even if you're purposely and consciously trying to come up with novel ones. So what does this mean? Well, one learning is that being an expert isn't something you always want to be. Yes, it means that you can do some things better than others and that you know more about something than others, but it can also make you rigid in your thinking. It can make you less efficient at solving new problems that you come across in your field of expertise, and it can prevent you thinking creatively. Of course, for your brain, the Einstellung effect makes sense. Why spend time looking for an alternative solution if you already have an adequate, good enough one? But it doesn't make sense if you want to stay one step ahead of the game, if you don't want to be fixated on the past, and if you want to come up with new, innovative and market-challenging ideas. At Synaptic Potential, we work with companies in a range of different ways, often with leaders, including concepts such as the Einstellung effect. We can guide you through the concepts behind this kind of thinking and show you how, by creating new pathways in your brain through learning, curiosity and information seeking, you can overcome this neural rigidity and regain your creative streak. So next time you come across what you think is a familiar problem, pause for a moment to consider whether you're actually using the optimal solution, or whether your good thoughts are blocking your better ones.